Hey! Hey! You too, Mr. Businessman! What do you mean I'm 5 minutes late? No, I'm not. You're the man 5 minutes late. Get out of the chair. Get out of here. Hey, you want to fight me? I didn't think so. Hi, guys. We bring this one back. We brought back the tornado survival. Yes. Susie! There you are. Hugs. Hugs, love, and kisses. Mwah. Yes. Do we have her sticker, Sonic? I don't know. Take a look. There it is. See? Because you know that whenever you see that picture, you'll know Susie is the one over here. Isn't that right, Susie? Of course it is. What's happening over here, huh? What happened already over here? Susie, I would advise that, you're not worried. Don't worry. Don't worry, everything's gonna be alright. Hang on. No, hang on. What are you doing, Tails? You know, how do you know? What even are you gonna do? No, don't question it. Oh, Susie! Oh, Susie, I would be careful if I was out with you. What the heck was that? You know what, Susie? Don't question it. We're gonna be okay. We're gonna be okay. You're worrying too much. Don't worry. Everything's gonna be okay. Panic, Susie! Oh no, it's dark. It's dark. You can only see my eyes. And no, I am not Dark Tails. It's just dark. Susie, get up off the floor. The floor is filthy. Susie! 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 Did I get it? No? Yeah? No! We have to save Susie! Susie, come on! We're gonna save you, no matter what. Hang on, Susie. I'm gonna get the chair out of here. And then I'm gonna get you. And then we're gonna get the hecky doodle out of here. You know what, Susie? I don't know about you, but I'm scared. This is a scary moment. But hey, at least we're surviving, right? Yeah. Don't worry, I'm scared too. We'll be okay. Don't question it. Yeah. So, anyways, everybody, that was a good one right there. But anyways, Susie, get protection on your chair. As for Tails, I'm going downstairs. I'll see you in a minute. I love you, Susie, but goodbye. This is goodbye. We're not gonna be okay. What happened over here, huh? At least the bunker's okay. Yeah. Get underground immediately, everybody. We're gonna be okay. Don't question anything. I'm scared. Yeah, I'm scared. I'll snap you doodle. The booms, the thunder, the explosion, it's all around us. Even though you can't see the tornado? I might lighten the screen a bit. Does that be replaying it? Yeah, sure, we'll go with that. Oh no, Susie! Someone flying. That's up, keeps exploding. What happened here? What the heck happened here? Aw, man. Well then. This was a predicament. Right. Are you gonna unlock or not? Oh, hey, I'm free. Hey. Yes, and no at the same time. I don't want to do sticker. What the heck? Why would I want to do sticker? What happened to you? You look like a waterfall now. That's questionable. Alright. Ew, gunk, ew. Freedom! Freedom! Freedom is with tails! Yes! Yay! Yay! Yes. Who's next? Okay, hang on. Now let's give the butterfly princess a try. She hasn't gotten a turn out in a long time. Yeah, she agrees. Let's go. Sadly enough, we're not gonna hang out with Susie or the old man. Alright. I'm about to run! That house is gonna get turned on fire. What the heck is the point of this car? You can't even drive it. Get me out of this car. Alright then. Don't ever do that to a real house. So how are we surviving, Sonic? I don't know. Maybe in this bedroom? What was that for, Amy? I needed to sneeze. Well, excuse you. I'm excused. Hey, above the friggin' bridge. Hey! Hey, we need that. Hey! Get out of here. Hey, what's going on out here, huh? What, debris? What about you? Gotta go this way or else we're gonna get in trouble.
We're in enough trouble as it is, Tails.
Oh, yeah? I think we're in trouble. Gotta go. Ah, that was a close one right there. I'll tell you that right now. That was a good, close one. What just sizzled? Oh, yeah, you wanna fight me? You wanna fight me? Come here. Tails, what are you doing? I'm tempted the tornado to hit me. But it ain't gonna hit me. Ow! It ate you alright. Dang it!
Why, Tails? You have one mission.
You know what? I don't even care. Susie! Susie! Say hi to the butterfly princess, not the bunny princess. The bunny princess is not here. But I'll tell you who's here. Me! The butterfly princess, who takes care of all the butterflies. Because, yes. Alright, let's go. Ow!
Why?
Why? I didn't eat it. It's just from my booty. You burned more than your booty, man. You burned everything. And I should have said ow about everything, but I didn't. Well, don't do it again so you could say you're ow, you're everything. You know what? That's tempting, Knuckles, but I won't say it. What are you even doing burning this house for? Yeah, it deserves it. Like that. Take that. That's not even worth that at all, man. You know what? I wonder if we could survive right here. Not all the way, but yeah, you could. I'll go this way. Crud this noise. Tell the survivor over here. Great surviving, man. That's producing hail. We're gonna be protected. Ah! Run! We'll be just fine. I don't know about you, but I think we're gonna be just fine.
What are you even doing?
I'm grabbing on the grass. I'm being weird, Amy. Could you let me be weird for one day? Bridge is out. But yeah, Tails, we let you be weird 24/7. That's what I'm good at. It's taking out the wood debris. Oh, Snappy Doodle. Snappy Doodle, Tails don't want it. I'm going this way. Crud this. I don't want it. Oh, Snappy Doodle. Oh, Snappy Doodle. Tails going underground early. I don't want none of this. I don't want to imagine. Ah, the poor old man and Susie. They're gonna be stuck in the building. Oh yeah, he's picking up vehicles. We never see him. Right. Starting to get dark, everybody. Hold on to your horses. It's getting dark. Yeah. Yeah. More destruction. Yeah, we're gonna go this way. Oh yeah, what are you blowing up now? Wheel. Okay.
Next is the gas tanker, right?
Pretty much. Yeah. Tails, will you stop that? No. Nothing can get us, so we're fine. Says the two-tailed fox. Oh, run. Push you out of the way so you don't get in the way. What happened to the gas tanker? Hi, car. Okie dokie. I guess we're not having a gas tanker today. That's good news. Well, if you ever know what we did to know, we are right here. Yep, we are right here. Yeah, that got dark. Like, we are right here.
Are we gonna be protected enough, Tails? Because I'm worried for us now.
You know, we'll be fine. We could use a bit of campfire in our life. Campfire, more like burning house, man. That thing's still burning.
That's a tornado? I don't even see it. Alright then, raining fire.
The only time it rains fire is when a volcano erupts. We don't have any volcanoes near us, so yeah, that firestorm came from somewhere else. What do you say about that, Tire? I would imagine. What are you doing snaking up on the camera view for? Get out of here! Okay. Okay. Thanks for blocking my face. Alrighty, we're gone. Because apparently the tornado blew up everything else, including that water this time. Oh my goodness.
It's a messed up water.
Ew, the gunk, ew. Anyway, this is Tails. There's the Knuckles.
It's Amy. I hope you all enjoyed, everybody.
This is Sonic. I think our hair is charcoaled. Oh yeah, it's charcoal, alright. It's black to a dark gray. Yeah, that's charcoaled hair. Kinda looks good on us. But not charcoaled hair. That's nasty. And it's Sonic. Hope you guys enjoyed, everybody. So I hope you have good days. Try not to hurt yourselves or anybody. That's what's beautiful. And we're gone. Yes.